Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is hashtag Friday Sews. If you're not familiar with it, then you'll see Jen right here. She put together this hashtag Friday Sews, and it just kind of brings the sewing community on YouTube together. So make sure that you check out all the participants by just typing in the search bar hashtag Friday Sews, and then you can see a list and just check out small videos of everybody just kind of talking about their week and what's been happening in their sewing part of life. And on today's episode, I'm actually going to be reviewing this pattern. It's a simplicity pattern, and I'm also wearing I made this shirt as well, so you can click on that link if you want to see the pattern review on that one that I did last week. And I will share with you 2 of my favorite fabric shops from this week. And I also came up with a challenge that I think you're really going to like. So this week I did get another shirt done, and I made it out of this fabric. So don't go anywhere, I'm going to show you, and I'll even try it on. I'll model it for you. And so if you are new to my channel is all about sewing and quilting, and you can subscribe because I put up a tutorial every Wednesday. Okay, so I'm going to review this pattern, but before I forget, I did put up a tutorial on how to make this quilted zipper pouch. Isn't that cute? I did this throughout the week, and so you'll have to click on that and check it out, because I love sewing and I love quilting. I can't really quilt too much these days, so I make these cute mini quilted projects to try to get my quilting fix satisfied. But it's just a square box, and it has all these beautiful fabrics that I just love. And I put my cute little label on there. I don't know why it's not focusing in. And then I love Rifle Paper Co. is a really favorite fabric of mine that I use. And then the inside has these cute little crabs. So you'll want to check out that tutorial if you have time. The first shop that I love, that I discovered this week, is Everyday Fabrics on Etsy. And she offers free shipping, and it's really fast shipping. And so I got these art gallery prints, and then this one. So this one I love. This one is going to be so cute. I'm going to make a shirt out of this one again. And remember, I'm going to try on my other shirt from this pattern, but I think this one will be really cute as well. Ooh, I just love how bold it is. This is an art gallery print. And then this one I'm going to make, I can't find my other pattern, but I already have something in mind with this one. This is Mayfair by Art Gallery, and this is also going to be a shirt for me. And then I just had to get this one again. This is the Primavera line from the Cotton and Steel, well, the Rifle Paper Co. And I have made so many things with this fabric. I think I've made like 20 surgical hats. Here's a couple things to show you. I even put them as backings on my hot pads, and you guys are gonna love this. I made a Barbie dress. Isn't that so cute? I love little details. I absolutely love making doll clothes, and I love making Barbie clothes. I actually have a few videos on that as well if you want to check those ones out. So that's my first fabric shop. And then my other one is Auntie M's Crafts 2 on Etsy. She's another small shop, but she carries all the basics, all the Riley Blake design basics. And so I got all these because I'm going to do an Easter project. I'm working on a tutorial on, I did a Valentine's one, and so now I'm working on one for Easter to make cute little Easter sewing crafts. And so, I love these little prints. She has yellows, pinks, lavenders, and so these are just some great prints that go along with other fabrics that you might have. So even, if you want to do a project with this would be a cute binding on it. Let's see, does the lavender go with it? But these are just great fabrics to just keep in your stash. Picked up this Avengers fabric. This is going to be for my car seat covers, and I'll put the links of those shops in the descriptions below. Okay, so now onto the shirt. It was really easy to sew. It was 3 pieces, front, back, and the whatever you would call this. The hem, I can't even remember what you would call it right now. Okay, so here is the shirt I made, and I did it so quick. The funny thing is in the back, okay, so I kept getting excited and I kept trying it on, like after each step. And so then, you know, I sewed the front to the back, and then I tried it on and I'm like, what in the world? How did I do that? The back panel was like 3 inches shorter than the front. So it was like a reverse tummy top, midriff top. And I'm like, how did I do that? So then I was like, oh, well, maybe I can put ruffles on it, whatever. Anyways, I just fixed it. So in the back, you can see there's that extra hem to make it longer to match the front. But you can't even see it. I just thought it was funny that I had to add length to it and that I actually cut it at a different length. Okay, one thing that I didn't love is I wish this part was a little bit thinner. I love thin hemmed collar things. I really can't even, I don't know what this is called right now. Now, I've sewn a lot of clothes throughout the years, but just took some time off from sewing for me. But I really love the thin bias binding hem, like this one. This is one that I sewed for my daughter when she was little, and I love the contrasting part of it. And so if you compare this tiny hem to this one I think was just too big. So next time I will make it smaller. That actually matters by how it lays on your chest. The thicker it is, it's gonna have like gaps and stuff, which I'll show you when I try it on. But some other details of it, I serged the insides. I attached a button to the back. Oh, because this pattern, it actually tells you that it's a knit. So I picked it up and I'm like, oh man, it's for knits and I have a cotton. So I was like, how am I going to get it over my head because it's not going to stretch? But you know what? I didn't even need this button. It would have fit over my head. I guess I think my head is bigger than it really is. So that's good. Okay. But I did, you know, again, I use these hair ties. They are perfect for this situation. And then I have my button here. And so I just attached that and that goes in the back of it. So now I'm going to go and try it on. Will you keep them company? You don't even have to talk. Okay, I have Ryan here. He's going to keep you guys company while I go and try this on, okay? Be nice to him. What do you think? I actually really love it. It's like the neckline, this is what I was talking about. It's like really thick. If it was thinner, I think it would lay better. But oh my gosh, I can't even be picky. Then I was thinking, oh, I can just add, you know, a string like a bow, but then it wouldn't be as casual. And I wanted something that was casual that I could wear in the summer because it has the short sleeves. And you know, in the summer I get hot and I want to wear a tank top, but I don't like the, you know, where my bra goes and then you get that fat right there. So this covers that area completely. And then I love the length of it. It's kind of short, but it makes it, I feel like it's flattering for the stomach area because it's not like tucking in and it's not long to be all weird and stuff like that. But I mean, overall, I love the fabric and the pattern, and it was so quick to make. So I'm definitely going to be making more of these ones. I mean, and of course I need to get a tan. My arms are pretty white right now. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to mention, when I make my shirts, I always pre-wash my fabrics. So I know, you know, this is what I get. It's not gonna shrink. And I've already washed it once and it doesn't fade. I just love this fabric. It's Ruby Star Society fabric. And I got it off of Etsy at fatstackfabrics.com, and I'll put the link into my descriptions below. Okay, so I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I'm going to be having a challenge. It is called hashtag 60-minute sewing challenge. All you need to do if you want to participate, which I think you will, is just pick a sewing pattern that you think you can finish within 60 minutes. Go ahead and record the start time, and then you can, you know, record us all the way through it, going through it, and then record the end time. And let's see what patterns you can finish within 60 minutes. So I'm going to start the challenge tomorrow morning and hopefully get the video posted either tomorrow or Sunday. And I'm going to use hashtag 60-minute sewing challenge. So I hope you come back and watch for that video, and I think it'll be fun. Okay, so if I've inspired you to sew something for yourself, then give me a thumbs up, and you can also check out my other videos, and also check out the other videos in the hashtag Friday Sews. And until next time, happy sewing!